Dear students, welcome to the another video of Edwins. Today we will discuss about the mutation. So what is mutation? Mutation is the changes of genetic material okay. It can be DNA mutation or it can be chromosomal mutation. What are they? What is DNA mutation and what is the chromosomal mutation? DNA mutation, I have drawn a figure here. This is a normal DNA. Okay. Now, when it is mutated, but how it get mutated? It mutated by some chemicals or physical factors. These are called mutagen. What is mutagen? Mutagen is the causing agent of mutation. Causing agent of mutation. Okay. So these mutagens are basically two types. What are they? One of them is the physical mutagen and another one is the chemical. Physical mutagen like X-ray, UV ray, these are called the physical mutagen, that is X-ray or UV ray. And chemical mutagen like the nicotine or mustard gas. These are the examples of the chemical mutagen. Okay. So what are the function in mutation of these mutagens? The mutation can be occurs in different ways. What are they? Like this is a normal DNA. Okay. Now I have drawn two figures, that is mutated DNA. One is, look here, the sequence of the nucleotide has been changed, this part. Okay. So this is called the mutation. This category or this type of mutation is known as the substitution. What is substitution? The sequence or the nucleotide sequence or the nitrogen base sequence has been replaced by another one. Okay, so this is called substitution. Here another type of mutation, like what? Here the chromosome in the DNA, the sequence or the nucleotides are erased or deleted. That's why this mutation is known as deletion. That is, the sequence or nitrogen base are deleted. Okay. Another type of mutation, that is insertion. What is insertion? Like this is a normal DNA. This is the substitution, that is the nitrogen base pair has been changed and here deleted. And in case of insertion, like this is the sequences of nucleotide. Okay. Now in insertion, another one nucleotide has been inserted like this. Okay, this is the insertion. So this mutation can be beneficial or can be harmful for the organism. How? Like any evolutionary process, like any changing environment. Any changing environment. The mutation to survive to this changing environment can be beneficial for any organism, but it may be harmful. What kind of? That is the cancer or the tumor formation. That is, we know that part of the DNA which can able to synthesis a specific protein, this part of DNA is known as gene. If this gene get mutated, then the whole cell division process get disrupt the cell division. Okay, when the cell division process get disrupt, the unproliferated cell division occurs. That means in a single place so many cells will grow, and due to the limitation of the food and oxygen, the cell get died. Okay, and when the cell get died, then it will releases some toxic substances which will further result the cancer. Okay, so this is the type of mutation in case of the DNA. Now, what is the chromosomal mutation? We know that DNA are the basic structural part of the chromosome. That is the in detail mutation in DNA. But in case of chromosome, like this is a normal chromosome and the genes like A, B, C, D. Sometimes these chromosomal mutation look like that is the C part which get deleted. This is the deletion. Or in some time the part is get repeated, that is this B get repeated, that is this is called duplicated. These types of chromosomal mutation also occurs, but this is of course due to the DNA changes sequence. Okay, chromosomal mutation is also responsible for the changes in DNA sequence or the gene sequence. Okay, so this mutation is the changing or changes of the genetic material inside the DNA or the chromosome. It can be beneficial or it can be harmful. Okay, and this mutation is caused by the agent which are called mutagen. You have to remember at least two name of the mutagen, that is one physical and one chemical. One physical is that is X-ray or UV ray, and chemical that is nicotine or the mustard gas. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. If you have any doubt, you may ask in our comment section. We will discuss it in our next video. And if you like to get more such informative video, you may subscribe our YouTube channel Edwins, and also follow, comment and share our Facebook page Edwins. Thank you.
Edwins, learn, grow, succeed.